आज हम क्या सीखेंगे बेटा? बुक रीडिंग। बुक रीडिंग में क्या सीखेंगे? इधर देखो मेरी तरफ। फोनिक साउंड। क्या सीखेंगे?
Phonic sound.
गुड। Put your finger on the book.
A.
What is this?
A.
A apple.
A. Apple.
Very good. What is this?
B.
Repeat once again.
B.
B balloon.
B. Balloon.
What is this?
C.
C का cake.
C का cake.
C का cake.
C का cake.
No. C का cake.
C का cake.
Very good. What is this?
E.
Repeat once again. इतना. What is this?
D.
Repeat once again.
D.
D the doll.
D the doll.
Very good. D the doll.
D the doll.
Very good. What is this?
E.
E egg.
E egg.
Repeat once again.
E egg.
E egg. नहीं egg.
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 What is this?
F.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Repeat once again.
F for fish.
Very good. What is this?
G.
G का grapes.
G का grapes.
Repeat once again, beta.
G का grapes.
What is this?
H.
H house.
H her house.
Repeat once again.
H her house.
What is this?
I.
I. I. E. I. E भी बोलते हैं, आई भी बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? आई. हाँ, तो आयरन.
Iron.
क्या साउंड निकल रहा है बेटा? आई. आई क्या साउंड निकल रहा है?
I.
वेरी गुड. आई आयरन.
Iron.
What is this?
J.
J joker.
J joker.
K का key.
Key.
Repeat once again.
K का key.
L
La
lion.
lion.
Repeat once again.
La lion.
What is this?
M
mug.
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 What is this?
N
nest.
nest.
Repeat once again.
Nest.
Very good. What is this?
O
orange.
orange.
Repeat once again, beta.
Orange.
Very good. P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
What is this?
Q.
Crow. Q क्या?
Q
Queen.
queen.
U क्या?
U
Queen.
queen.
U का queen.
U queen.
R rose.
Rose.
Repeat once again.
Rose.
S sun. Sorry. S sunflower.
S sunflower.
S sunflower.
S sunflower.
What is this?
T.
T the tiger.
T the tiger.
Repeat once again.
T the tiger.
U
U
U utensil. vessel.
Vessel.
Watch.
Watch.
Repeat once again. Watch. X. X-ray. X-ray. Y. Yacht. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Thank you, Yashi.